Hello everyone. So today we are going to revise fundamental rights from 12 to Article 35. So this is my first video on YouTube. So अगर मुझसे कुछ गलती होती है तो kindly forgive me. So with Article 15 we go. The first the 12th article says definition of state, in which we know the definition of state, in which is related to the definition of state. The 13th article said law inconsistent with or in the derogation of the fundamental rights, in which the teaches if a law is violated, so the law will be invalid. And आगे चल के we said the right to equality, in which it contains Article 14 to Article 18, in which Article 14 says equality before law, and Article 15 says prohibition of discrimination on grounds religion, race, caste, or sex or place. Article 16 says equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Article 17 says abolition of untouchability. Article 18 says abolition of titles. The third fundamental right is the right to freedom, in which we study from Article 19 to Article 22, in which Article 19 says protection of certain things regarding freedom of speech, and Article 20 says protection in respect of conviction of offences. Article 21 says protection of life and personal liberty, and there's an additional article in which 21A says right to education, and Article 22 says protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. इसमें क्या होता है कि अगर कोई कानून अगर गलत आपको फंसा दिया जाता है और अगर वो कानून में ऐसा नहीं है वो तो आपको बरी कर दिया जाता है. एंड द थर्ड फंडामेंटल राइट इज right against exploitation, in which two rights are articles coming in this, Article 23 and Article 24, in which Article 23 says prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. इसमें कि human traffic, whether it's a living human traffic or a dead, और पहले के ज़माने में क्या होता था बच्चे या फिर लेडीज़ों को बेच दिया करता था, तो वो प्रोहिबिशन किया है. And 24 says prohibition of employment of children in factories in of less than 14 years. Okay, so आगे चल के the fourth right is right to freedom of religion, in which Article 25 says freedom of conscience and free professional practice and propagation of religion. Article 26 says freedom to manage religious affairs. Article 27 says freedom as to payment of taxes for promotion of any particular region, जिनमें कि हमें कोई अगर हम रिलीजन का प्रचार कर रहे हैं तो उसके लिए टैक्सेस पे नहीं करना पड़ता. The Article 28 says freedom as to attendance at religion instruction or रिलीजियस वर्कशिप इन सर्टेन एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन, जिसमें कि कोई भी अगर सर्टेन रिलीजन की कम्युनिटी है तो वो आप अपने रिलीजन के लिए एक एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन इस्टेब्लिश कर सकती है. द फिफ्थ आर्टिकल वी गो टू culture and educational rights, in which two articles are coming in this, 28 and 29 and 30, in which 29 says protection of interest of minority, in which they are divided into two categories. One is a religion, second is a linguistic based. Article 30 says right of minorities to establish and administer educational institution, जिसमें कि वो अपने एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन एस्टेब्लिश कर सकते हैं. And the last right is right to constitutional remedies, in which is also called the heart of the Indian Constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, in which four rights are coming. And Article 32 says remedies for enforcement of right conferred by the part, जिसमें कि हम इन राइट्स का प्रचार कर सकते हैं And Article 33 says power of Parliament to modify the rights conferred by this part in their application forces, जिसमें कि पार्लियामेंट को अधिकार होता है कि वो कोई भी आर्टिकल को मॉडिफाई कर सकता है। Article 34 says restriction of rights conferred by this part while martial law is in force in any area। अगर कोई भी एरिया में अगर मार्शल लॉ लगता है तो उसमें इन राइट्स को एंड कर दिया जाता है। And the last fundamental rights is Article 35, in which they call legislature to give effect to provision of this part, जिसमें कि ओनली पार्लियामेंट कोई भी अगर नए फंडामेंटल राइट्स अगर ऐड करना चाहती है तो वो कर सकती है। सो गाइस, आज के लिए बस इतना ही। तो ये थे हमारे फंडामेंटल राइट्स। और मैं और इस चैनल पर आप अभी कोई भी अगर MBA या फिर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, सो यू कैन जॉइन दिस। थैंक यू।